New Technology Insights analyzes biomimicry in chip design, where nature inspires energy-efficient AI hardware and smarter cooling. Experts explain brain-inspired architectures using sparse activations and adaptive timing to cut power without sacrificing performance. We explore neuromorphic components and memristors that reduce leakage and heat in real-world workloads. Challenges include scalable fabrication, yield bottlenecks, and standardization for seamless software and toolchain integration across platforms. The episode forecasts timelines, regulatory considerations, and practical roadmaps for researchers and hardware makers.